Assalamualaikum and a good day. I am Adlin Masud. Me and my colleagues Umi Habidatun as well as Alina Abdul Rahim would like to share with you our research on Halal Reimagined Tech Drives Sustainability and Inclusivity in Islamic Monetary Economics. To start off, I would like to just simply tell you about our research overview, whereby halal sector offers a distinctive prospect to promote inclusive and sustainable economic progress in accordance with the Islamic tenets. This industry possesses capacity to uphold fundamental principles of IME such as social justice, resource efficiency, and financial inclusion to maintain its expansion and secure enduring success in accordance with the Islamic monetary economics framework. The halal sector therefore must adopt the paradigm shifting capabilities of leading edge Industry 4.0 technologies. This research endeavors to explore the possibility of IR 4.0 technologies, improve the experience of halal consumers, and advocate for ethical practices, therefore ultimately will enhance financial inclusion in accordance with the IME framework. The study seeks to make a scholarly contribution towards the progress of halal, encompassing a sustainable halal industry that is firmly grounded in economic tenets. The global halal industry phenomenal growth is fueled by two powerful forces: the burgeoning Muslim population and a paradigm shift towards ethical consumption. Resource efficiency, a core tenet of IME, finds resonance within the halal industry, which emphasizes on ethical sourcing, and responsible production practices, which therefore means it aligns with resource efficiency goals of IME. Additionally, IR 4.0 technologies such as big data analytics and AI can empower businesses to optimize resource utilization within the halal supply chain. Social justice, a fundamental of IME, is demonstrably promoted by the halal industry's emphasis on fair labor practices and ethical treatment of animals, and with halal industry focused on inclusivity. The next part, we looked at the impact of digital technology such as augmented reality, financial technology, Internet of Things, big data, e-commerce integration system, and cloud facility, and how it impacts the halal industry. And once the halal industry improves, it will therefore contribute towards the Sharia economy and thereby uplift the gross domestic product of any nation. We also looked at the triple bottom line framework of halal industry and how it aligns with Islamic monetary economics. Here, we looked into the economic sustainability and how it can be empowered by AI and blockchain, which can enhance supply chain efficiency, reducing waste and cost while ensuring ethical compliance. Big data analytics and AI can support the social equity, which can therefore ensure equality and diversity as well as well-being. Zakat and Wakaf reinforce communal welfare, labor standard, as well as health and safety. Meanwhile, to carry out a more efficient environment stewardship, we can use blockchain technology as it ensures transparency in sourcing and production processes, thereby enhance market trust and enables transparent financial transaction. Eventually, we proposed a framework of IME, financial inclusivity within the halal ecosystem. There's a framework consisting of four circles, right? The inner circle is represented by tech-powered consumers, which interacts with the empowered halal SMEs, where their operations have been enhanced, and they are part of the IR 4.0 equipped halal industry ecosystem. So the whole system will now be enhanced by IR 5.0 technologies and uh, can contribute towards uplifting the nation's gross domestic product. We sincerely hope you enjoy reading our article and will be delighted to answer your queries. Thank you.